Visual Basic. Let's see how to handle controls in Visual Basic. To insert the label into the form, follow the steps. Step 1. Double-click on the label icon. Step 2. Drag the resulting box into the place on the form and size it according to the data it will hold. Step 3. Change the caption name in the Properties window as number 1. Step 4. Similarly, add another label. Change the caption in the Properties window as number 2. To insert the text box, follow the steps. Step 1. Insert two text boxes by double-clicking on the text box icon. Step 2. Drag the resulting box into the place on the form and size it according to the data it will hold. Step 3. Change the text for text 1 as 50 and text 2 as 20 in Properties window. To insert the command box, follow the steps. Step 1. Double-click on the command icon. Step 2. Drag the resulting box into place on the form and size it according to the data it will hold. Step 3. Change the caption as add. Let's see how to add the two numbers using coding. Step 1. Add two more labels on the form. Label 3 and Label 4. Step 2. Change the Label 3 caption name as Total in the Properties window. Step 3. Double-click on the Add command button to write coding. Total is equal to value of text1.text plus value of text2.text. It adds the values in the text box 1 and text box 2. Label 4.caption is equal to total. Close the window. To execute the code, click on the Start icon. Click on the Add command button. You will be getting the answer as 70. Let's see the example. Follow the steps. Step 1. Double-click on the list box icon. Step 2. Drag the resulting box into the place on the form and size it according to the data it will hold. Step 3. Double-click on the form to add the coding. List 1.add item Monday. Copy and paste the coding for another 6 days. Change the days' names to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It offers a list of days in a week. After executing the coding, close the window and execute the form using the Start button. The output will be the list of items. See how to insert the checkbox. Step 1. Insert two checkboxes by double-clicking on the checkbox icon. Step 2. Drag the resulting box into the place on the form and size it according to the data it will hold. Change the caption name as Visual Basic for checkbox 1. Change the caption name as C Language for checkbox 2. Step 3. Insert the command button and change the caption name as Check. Double-click the checkbox and add the coding. If check1.value is equal to 1 and check2.value is equal to 0, then message box Visual Basic is selected. It means, when you check the Visual Basic box, the message box will appear with the message Visual Basic is selected. Else if check2.value is equal to 1 and check1.value is equal to 0, then Message box C language is selected. It means, when you check the C language box, the message box will appear with the message C language is selected. Else, message box all are selected. End if. Close the window. Execute the application by clicking on the Start button. Select the Visual Basic box and click on the Command box check. The message box appears with the message, Visual Basic is selected. How to insert the option box. Step 1. Insert two option boxes by double-clicking on the option box icon. Step 2. Drag the resulting box into the place on the form and size it according to the data it will hold. Change the caption name as Mail for option box 1. Change the caption name as Female for option box 2. Step 3. Insert the command button and change the caption name as Submit. Double-click the Submit button and add the coding. If option 1. Value is equal to true, then message box Mail is selected. It means, when you select the Mail option box, the message box will appear with the message Mail is selected. Else, message box Female is selected. End if. Close the window. Execute the application by clicking on the Start button. Select the Mail option box and click on the Command button Submit. The message box appears with the message, Mail is selected.